Good morning. Today we are going to look at RonnieRoweDesigns.com, which is one of my favorite cross-stitch sites. This is probably the designer for which I am most known for in terms of what I stitch, and I really love it. So it's found at RonnieRoweDesigns.com, and when you go to the site, basically you'll see a lot of the new things that Ronnie Rowe has released. We're going to look at a few things today. In 2019, he released the Innocence series, which is a series of really unique, colorful, little girl faces, which look like early 1900s photos that have just been colorized, and they're quite beautiful. And then we go back. He also has the row house designs, which he calls the City Living series. And these are just the kind of row houses that you see in, say, San Francisco. But these are awesome. I really want to do this one right here. This is going to be one of the next ones that I do. And then we have, go back to the home page, we have the combination. We've got the Midsummer Series, which just these beautiful front of houses kind of looks. Got the Serengeti series. Sorry, I start looking at these and going, I kind of want this one, I kind of want that one. But the Serengeti series, these beautiful looks at African scenes. We've got a giraffe, a lion, and then we have the Shed series, which again is just, these are just very simple but elegant designs. And we go back, we've looked at these, and then the New England series, again another colored series, which is awesome. I really like this one. I'm thinking about doing this one as well. And I'm going to go to the pen and ink section, which is really what I first fell in love with Ronnie Rowe Designs. And we'll start off with the Ship series. Again, these are basically just single color on white Aida is usually what's recommended. I usually do 18 count using just one color, like black or whatever color you really want to, honestly. And quite gorgeous. And we have the Dog series, which is also awesome. Got different dogs that are on there. Just really nice. I mean, when you're working on these pieces, it's one of those things where as you work on it, you can't quite tell what it's going to look like, and then when you sort of step back after a while and you look at it, you're like, wow, that's amazing how it just kind of sort of appears. We have the Cat series, which is a little bit different in that you've got the actual cat, but then he colorizes the eyes, and everything's a little bit different based on the cat. So if you have a cat that strongly resembles one of these cross-stitch patterns, that's something that you may want to work on. And then finally, we have the pen and ink series that I first fell in love with, which is these old colonial houses, which is not really what the capital is, but this is the one I'm working on right now. But my very first project that I did was Music Teacher's House. It's one of the first cross-stitch patterns that I actually ever finished. And like I said, it's just basically black floss on white Aida. So it's very simple. And got all these different looking ones. I have also done this one, Market Square Tavern. And I have done Williamsburg, which I love. And they do take quite a while to finish. So simple patterns, but they will require a lot of time. And in this one, the other thing that Ronnie Rowe also does is he will design a special pattern for you, and you can see some examples of it here. And then you can also purchase, you can get the complete set of pen and ink designs, and at $60, that's a steal. But he also produces these in booklets. You can buy them not just in sort of a paper sheet pattern, but they also come in booklets. And so if you really like his stuff and you want to purchase like multiple, you may look at buying these complete sets, which are incredibly affordable for for what you get, and for the time that is involved in doing these patterns, the amount of time it takes to do, especially the pen and ink ones, they're very affordable. So, but take a look at RonnieRoweDesigns.com and see what you think, and thanks for watching.